Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Trinet HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in trinet.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Trinet HR. In order to log into your account, click on the login button at the top right corner and then click on HR Platform and HR Plus. Once you click on the appropriate login portal, you will be asked to enter your email address. So go ahead and type in your email address that you used while signing up for your account and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Just type in the password that you have set up while creating your account and then click on the sign in button. And now you will be asked to solve a verification puzzle. And after solving this puzzle and clicking on the verify button, you will be logged into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can find the forgot password button underneath the sign in box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account with Trinet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.